Here in Sheldon's. Today we're going to dissect a chicken. The first step is putting your chicken in hot water. The second step is lighting your jiko. The third step is plucking the feathers. This is how it looks after plucking it. Then you roast it. We begin with the head. You're supposed to remove the tongue from the head. This is how a chicken looks like. Let's get on to the video. First start by the legs. So remove the legs. Go to the left side of the chicken. Cut it all out. You can either decide to leave it or cut it out. Let's watch.
Kabla jua lichomoze, twende Afrika kwa baba na mama, hey, hey, hey. Afrika nilikotoka, Afrika asili yangu, hey, hey, hey. Afrika nilikotoka, Afrika, 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 kwa baba na mama, Afrika, 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 nilikotoka, Afrika, 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 asili yangu, Afrika, 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 kwetu nyumbani, Afrika, kwa
Make sure you put all the liver aside. You can also decide to clean up the intestines and tie it on the legs of the chicken and eat it up.
Asubuhi ikifika, majaliwa twende safari, kama nilivyoahidi, ningependa kutimiza, na wahenga walinadi kuwa ahadi ni deni. Basi jiandae tuondoke.
We shall boil our chicken with ginger. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to watch. And I hope this video has been of help to you if it's your first time or you're having difficulties in dissecting a chicken. You can give this video a thank you to show how much you appreciate the video. You can also save the video and share the video across all your social media platforms. Thank you. I hope you had a nice time. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification, give the video a thumbs up, and you can also show your appreciation by sending a thanks. Thank you.
Asili yangu Afrika, 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 kwetu nyumbani